Hello! Today we're going to walk through the step-by-step process of painting a pink rose in watercolor, from sketching to coloring. Let's start with the sketch. Draw an egg-shaped oval and sketch a large Y shape inside it to establish the basic structure of the petals. Next, draw a small spiral at the top center of the oval to mark the heart of the rose. Draw rounded lines wrapping around the spiral in a wedge shape, adding the inner petals one by one. Add curved lines to the tips of the petals on both sides of the bud to give them a thick, voluminous look. Continue by drawing the outer petals wrapping around the bud with slight curves, and then add the stem. Finish the sketch by drawing the sepals with natural curves and the leaves with jagged edges and delicate veins. Now for the coloring. To start the base wash, apply water to the paper first, then lay down a pale pink base. Leave the highlights white and let the color blend softly across the remaining areas. Once the paper is dry, we'll move on to the center details. Wet only the dark inner bud and add deep pink like Crimson Lake to create a natural gradation for depth. Paint the stem as well, incorporating subtle color variations. Now it's time for the final detailing and finishing touches. Dampen the small petals and dab paint to create delicate gradients and add dimension. Use various greens for the sepals and leaves, and finish the piece with fine details like thorns and veins. How did you enjoy painting this rose together today? If you have any questions or find any part difficult, feel free to ask. Thank you!